loves, what is up? It's your girl AshecaLee here, back at it with another video. And in today's video, I am sharing with you guys, one second because I'm about to sneeze. Oh, thank you, because I know you said bless you. So thank you. Okay. So yes, like I was saying, I am back with a video today, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys some new products that I received and some new products that I currently am like in love with. So if you guys are interested in seeing this first impressions video, I don't do many of these, but if you guys would like me to, then definitely just leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys think of this overall look. Yeah, I'm definitely getting like the pink bubblegum girl vibes right now, and I am like very obsessed with it. Do you guys see this like cute little heart right here? I'm loving it. Okay, so all of that and this whole look is included in this video, and as well as the products that I use. Just check the description box down below for all of that. And before we get into the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then go ahead and pause this video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up for your girl, and also comment down below and let me know what you think of this video, if you enjoyed it. Alright, and without further ado, let's just get into this video. My face is washed already. I'm gonna go in with the Mario Badescu spray. Obviously that is in here. You guys have seen me use that before, but just something to kind of moisturize my face, and I'm just pressing this in my skin. Alright, so I want to give these products a fair shot. So I'm gonna go about my normal facial, you know, what I do to prep my skin before my makeup. And y'all know, I'm gonna go in with my Pond's dry skin cream. If y'all don't know, I rave about this stuff all the time. That's because it's good and it works. Y'all, I'm drinking coffee. After 6 o'clock in the evening and I'm drinking coffee. Don't ask me why, okay? I have just been craving coffee so much, I don't know why. Look at my coffee cup. They know what's up. They know what's up. Do y'all watch football? If y'all do, comment down below and tell me what your teams are, because I'm an Eagles fan. I live in Philly. Y'all know, y'all know, y'all know. I normally do my eyeshadow first, so I'm going to go ahead. I haven't gotten any new products for my eyeshadow, but I'm just gonna continue to use what I have. I honestly don't know what eyeshadow palette to get, so if you guys have I can't say that word. If you guys have suggestions of there you go, of some polish you guys would like me to get, and comment down below and let me know, because I don't know what to get. I feel like the polish that I have are enough, but obviously you guys would like to see me try different stuff. So comment down below, let me know what you know, what eyeshadow palettes to get, and I will see how that goes. And what we're gonna do right now, I'm just gonna do my usual, add my concealer and do my eyes. I'm gonna fast forward this part just because, like I said, I haven't gotten any new products. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and fast forward. jump into the rest of our face. So guys, I am super excited because I got my first PR package in 2018. If you guys have not seen my most recent video, then definitely go check that out. It's a get ready with me, and I pretty much share with you my experience of 2018. A lot of good things happened, and this is one of them. I got my first PR package from Milkmakeup, so I got a whole bunch of products, and I just can't wait to try them out. I'm like so excited. Okay, so first I'm gonna use the Makeup Kush Clear Brow Gel, and you guys know that no brow gel works on my eyebrows, but I'm excited to try this. And yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and apply this to our eyebrows. Not bad, I like this. And it's not heavy, and it doesn't really have a smell, so I'm feeling this. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I don't know what to use first. I think I'm gonna go in with the matcha toner. This is the Milkmakeup. It's green. It's a toner, and it's great for skin. It will leave your skin calm and smooth and very nice and glowy, and it's gonna brighten it up. So we're gonna go in with this product. So after we have and applied that, I'm gonna go in with the Luminous Blur Stick. So this is pretty much a 2-in-1. You're gonna get your glow with this, and you're gonna pretty much get your primer with this, because it's gonna blur your face and minimize your pores. Yep, and we just gonna rub this in. Hey, I like this. This smells like citrusy, like very like the foundation. So this foundation is in the shade Tan, and their packaging is very nice and chic and very clean, so I really like this. I'm gonna go in with this and apply this over my face, see how well the coverage is and all that stuff. So it says to shake well, and okay, it's like really watery. So I'm scared. Okay, so the more you shake is the less liquidy it gets. Okay. This is my perfect match. I probably did not need all that foundation. So, okay, if you guys do decide to purchase this product, you don't need a lot. Because I obviously OD'd the forehead. For sure. Because we definitely have enough. I'm trying to look to see how well our blur stick worked, and I think it did pretty good. My skin looks very even, and a very nice application with this foundation. So yeah, I would definitely recommend the products that we used before. I feel like the Luminous Blur Stick helped out a lot. As you guys can see, like, I still have that glow underneath. Do you guys see that? Like, it's poking through the foundation. Like, it's still there on my nose right here. Like, yeah, she's glowing, okay? So I would definitely recommend this. It definitely blurred and smoothed out my pores a lot. So, yeah, I really like that. As for the foundation, I do like this foundation. It is, although I did apply a lot, it doesn't feel heavy and it doesn't feel cakey on my skin. Like, I can tell that I have a lot of foundation on, but that's just because I know that I put it on. So, yeah, we're going to give this foundation a thumbs up, and the rest of the products that we used before a thumbs up. And do you guys see the highlight through the foundation? Like, next we're going to go into the Milkmakeup Concealer, and this is their Flex Concealer Corrector Flex, and the shade is medium. This applicator is an applicator wand, and I like this. So I really love the fact that their makeup does not have a harsh smell. I think the concealer is oxidizing. I don't know if it's blending into the foundation or if it's just oxidizing, because as you guys can see, it went on pretty light, but it's getting darker. So yeah. You guys, oh my goodness. Wow. Oh, what? No, I feel like this is gonna be like my favorite combination. Y'all, this stuff is so good. Yes! This is about to be it, okay? This is about to be it. I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Expresso. We're gonna cream contour. So y'all, we got some new setting powder today for everybody who's tired of me using my same old Airspun Loose Face setting powder. We got a setting powder, okay? Okay. This is the Milkmakeup Blur and Set Matte Loose Setting Powder. Excited about this. This is in the shade Translucent Medium. When you open it, you have this gray thing right here. This is what they want you to use to apply the powder, but y'all know we ain't using it. We never use that stuff. You pretty much have like a net of where the powder comes through. That way you won't have a mess when you open it, and there's not going to be like an overflow of powder right at the top, which I think is really good. So I'm actually going to go ahead and apply this using a brush, which is what I normally do, and we're going to see how well this powder works. So this is set to actually blur as well. Wow, you guys, this is amazing. From now on, so y'all don't be mad at me. I'm gonna be using the same old tired stuff, but listen, this works. I'm actually gonna go in with a bigger powder brush, and we're gonna use this to actually set our entire face. Gonna dust this over our whole face. Just because I like the way it's setting everything, and you guys know I don't normally do this. I pretty much try to stay away from powders and like flashback, but I don't know, this looking real legit right now, okay? To set our contour, I'm actually gonna go in with ABH Cosmetics contour palette, and I'm gonna use, yeah, maybe this one and this one. You guys, when I say that my face looks completely like poreless right now, you have no idea. Wow, y'all, face is snatched. Go in with the Milkmakeup Lip and Cheek. It's a lip and cheek thing. I am scared of using stuff like this because I feel like once you apply it over everything after you have set everything, it doesn't really blend in well. So we're gonna try this, and I'm gonna hope that it works, okay? Because I don't usually use stuff like this. I like to use powder brush blushes. Okay. Nope. So maybe I'm gonna take it on my finger and then put it on. Okay. So don't do what I just did. What I did was just apply it on my face, but as you guys can see, on my foundation came off on this. So I'll suggest that you apply it on your hand first, on your finger actually, and then go in and press it in on your cheeks. And I feel like this product will be great for my girls who don't like to wear a lot of makeup. You put this on, give yourself like a swipe of this on the cheeks, and I feel like you'll be good to go. So just to set our blush, we're going to go in with the Morphe 9B palette. This one is the closest thing, so we're going to dip into that and tap off as much excess as possible because we have enough blush on. We just want to set it so it doesn't go anywhere. So to set my face, I'm going to go in with the MAC Prep and Prime and Fix Plus, and we're going to spray this. blend everything together. While we're on the eyes, I'm going to go in with the Makeup Kush mascara. I'm going to apply this on my lower lash line. Do you guys see the difference? You have to, because I definitely see the difference. That made my lashes appear to be 10 times longer than they actually are. We're almost done, you guys. I'm gonna go in with the Milkmakeup holographic stick, and this is like the same thing as our blur stick, but this one is meant to be a highlighter. So here it is. It's a very champagne-y golden color. Oh, and that is so cute. The milk on this one is holographic letters because it's a holographic stick. Okay, I see you, milk. So same thing like we did with the blush, I'm gonna do with this. Okay. I'm gonna go over our highlighter. Do you guys see it? Ooh, what? Ooh, yes. I'm gonna go in with the Becca highlighter. This is in the shade Opal, so it's a bit more champagne and a bit more bright. And I feel like this will look really nice over that holographic. Y'all, we definitely gonna be glowing with this one. The Milkmakeup Kush Fiber Brow Gel, and this is actually a colored one. So I'm gonna go in with this, and this is in the shade Grind, and this is the same as the actual brow gel, so we're gonna see how well this fills in our brows. Because you guys know how full my brows are right now, so if I can use this and not have to take a brow pencil, that would be great. Okay, perfect. Here's this brow and here's this brow. I know you guys can see the difference. Oh, ooh, yes, that looks so good. So good. Y'all know I like my eyebrows dark, so this is coming together wonderfully. They also sent a Milkmakeup tattoo stamp. You guys know that I have some freckles, and I have my 3 main moles that I like to enhance after I apply everything on my face because it gets covered up very easily. So I don't know if I'm going to use this, but I might. So I'm just going to go ahead and darken up my 3 big moles. Okay, so I don't know. I feel like this is cool, so I want to use it. It's in the shape of a heart. So this is really cool. All you do, it's a stamp. It's a tattoo stamp, and you just press it down on your face. I think I'm going to do it next to my mole right here. I think that'd be really cute. So I don't know. I'm scared. Okay. Oh, you guys, that is so cute. So cute. Oh. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips, and I'll be right back. I really love the way that everything turned out. Everything worked, and you know, we have this very nice completed full look, and this little heart right here is giving me life. I actually really like this, and I will definitely be using it again. If you guys are feeling this look, then go ahead and hit that thumbs up and give me a like for this video. And if you guys like these first impressions makeup tutorial kind of videos, then definitely leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys think of this look and if you want more. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And before we go, today's motivational quote is: stop always expecting your blessings to be financial or materialistic. God just may have added some time into your life instead. So with all of that being said, I will definitely see you loves in my next video. And thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye.